Something big just happened inside ChatGPT, and most users have no idea why it matters. OpenAI is rolling out a new lockdown mode security feature, and while it might sound like just another technical update, it could completely change how people use AI for business, productivity, and sensitive work. In fact, one hidden benefit of this feature could end up being more important than any new AI model released this year. And that's because the biggest barrier stopping many companies from fully adopting AI isn't intelligence, it's trust. Today, we're breaking down the 10 most important things you need to know about ChatGPT's new lockdown mode, what it does, who needs it, and why it could be a major turning point for AI security. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is what lockdown mode actually is. Most people think AI security means creating a strong password. That's only a tiny piece of the puzzle. Lockdown mode is designed to add extra layers of protection around your ChatGPT account and your AI activity. Think of it like upgrading from a standard front door lock to a bank vault. The goal is simple: reduce the chances of unauthorized access, account takeovers, phishing attacks, and other security risks. As AI becomes more integrated into work, users are storing business plans, marketing strategies, financial documents, client information, and proprietary workflows inside AI platforms. That creates a huge security responsibility. Lockdown mode is OpenAI's response to that challenge. But here's where it gets interesting. The second concept is that AI accounts are becoming high-value targets. A few years ago, hackers mainly targeted email accounts and banking information. Today, AI accounts contain something different: knowledge. Imagine someone gaining access to months of your business planning, customer research, content strategies, automation systems, and private conversations. That information could be worth far more than a credit card number. As AI becomes a digital assistant for millions of users, protecting those accounts becomes increasingly important. This is why advanced security features are no longer optional. They're becoming essential. Now let's talk about the third thing most people overlook: the human factor. Many security breaches don't happen because technology fails. They happen because people get tricked. Someone clicks a fake login page. Someone responds to a phishing email. Someone reuses a password across multiple websites. Lockdown mode is designed to reduce damage even when human mistakes happen. That's a huge shift. Instead of assuming users will never make mistakes, modern security systems assume mistakes will happen and build protection around them. That's a much smarter approach. Quick reality check. If someone stole your ChatGPT login today, how much valuable information would they gain access to? Most people underestimate that answer. And that leads directly into our fourth concept. Business users may benefit the most. When individuals use ChatGPT, they often ask personal questions or generate content. Businesses are doing much more. They're building internal systems, creating customer support workflows, developing marketing campaigns, analyzing financial data, writing code, managing operations. For companies using AI daily, security is no longer just an IT issue. It's a business continuity issue. A compromised account could expose months of work. That's one reason enterprise-level security features are becoming a major focus for AI providers. The fifth thing you need to understand is the growing importance of identity verification. One challenge in cybersecurity is proving that the person accessing an account is actually the owner. Traditional passwords are increasingly vulnerable. Attackers have become very sophisticated. Modern security systems often rely on multiple layers of identity verification. Lockdown mode appears to move further in that direction. The future of AI security isn't about one password. It's about multiple signals working together to verify trust. This trend is happening across the entire technology industry. Now here's a surprising insight most people don't know. The biggest security risk in AI may not be the AI itself. It may be connected apps. Think about how many tools people connect to ChatGPT: automation platforms, cloud storage, email services, productivity software, business databases. Every connection creates another potential entry point. Many advanced users focus heavily on prompting techniques while ignoring security hygiene. That's backwards. The more powerful your AI workflow becomes, the more important security becomes. And that's where lockdown mode could have a larger impact than many people realize. Let's move into concept number 6. Protection against session hijacking. This sounds technical, but the idea is simple. Sometimes attackers don't need your password. They only need access to an active session. If you've ever stayed logged into an account on a device, you already understand the concept. Advanced security systems often include measures designed to reduce these risks. As AI usage increases, protecting active sessions becomes just as important as protecting login credentials. Most users never think about this until something goes wrong. The 7th concept is trust and AI adoption. Many organizations want to use AI more aggressively, but legal departments, compliance teams, and security officers often have concerns. Those concerns slow adoption. Every new security feature helps remove one more obstacle. In other words, lockdown mode isn't just about protecting users. It's also about helping organizations feel more comfortable integrating AI into critical operations. That's a bigger story than most headlines are discussing. Here's another important attention reset. For years, AI development focused primarily on making models smarter. Now we're entering a new phase. The race isn't only about intelligence anymore. It's also about security, reliability, governance, and trust. And that's a massive shift. Concept number 8 is account recovery. One overlooked part of security is what happens after a problem occurs. Strong security isn't just about prevention. It's also about recovery. If an account is compromised, users need secure ways to regain control. Many cybersecurity experts evaluate systems based on both prevention and recovery capabilities. The strongest systems do both well. As OpenAI expands security features, recovery mechanisms become increasingly important. The 9th concept is personal security habits. Even the most advanced security feature can't protect users who ignore basic cybersecurity practices. Use strong passwords. Enable every available security layer. Be cautious of unexpected login requests. Avoid suspicious links. Review connected applications regularly. Technology can help. Good habits still matter. The combination of strong tools and smart behavior creates the best protection. And finally, concept number 10. This feature signals where AI is headed next. Many people focus only on model upgrades. Bigger models, faster models, smarter models. But the future of AI isn't just intelligence. It's infrastructure, security, privacy, compliance, reliability. The companies that win long-term won't simply build the smartest AI. They'll build the most trusted AI. That's why lockdown mode is more important than it may appear on the surface. It's part of a larger movement toward making AI safe enough for businesses, professionals, and everyday users to trust with increasingly important work. And that's the real story. OpenAI's lockdown mode isn't just another feature update. It's a sign that AI platforms are maturing. Security is becoming a core product feature rather than an afterthought. For users, that means better protection. For businesses, that means greater confidence. And for the AI industry, it marks another step toward mainstream adoption. The next phase of AI won't be defined only by what these systems can do. It will be defined by how securely people can use them. And that may end up being one of the most important developments of all. If you found this breakdown useful, keep an eye on upcoming AI security updates, because the changes happening behind the scenes today could have a bigger impact on your future workflows than the next viral AI tool everyone is talking about. And in an upcoming video, we'll look at how security-focused AI workflows can help creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses protect their data while still leveraging automation at scale.